What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Now, my name is Ryan, so thank you all for joining if you're new to the channel. And if you're not new and you've been here for a while, well, thank you again for tuning in. Now, guys, this is going to be a really quick episode, hopefully. Like I always say, I always get off track, which I'm doing right now again. But on this episode, I'm going to teach you guys how to read your tires so you know that you're getting a good deal and a new tire when you're actually getting one coming up. What's going on, guys? It's your boy Ryan, but let's get started in this video. So you are in the shopping demand, so you are in the market for a brand new tire, and you hear a lot of things on the news about used tires and problems in the roads and accidents and tires ripping to pieces and whatnot. I am here to put your mind at ease, and I'm going to teach you how to read a tire to make sure that you're getting the proper tire and a new tire, and that it's somewhere in the manufacturing year and it resides in the year that you're actually in. And if you don't like it, you tell the company that just installed it to you, sorry man, you're gonna have to remove those tires and put on some new ones. That's not what I bought. I want something new that just came out in this production year. So I'm gonna show you right now. What's going on, guys? To make things easier, I put a piece of green tape here to decipher all the codes on the tire, and I'm going to show you exactly where you can find everything on this tire. So if you can see right here on this green tape, you're going to see P205 55 16. What this means is 205 is the width of the tire, 55 is the height over width, which is the aspect ratio of this tire, and 16 is the rim size. What this is, 99H is the speed rating, and 3111 is 31 weeks in the 11th year that this was made. So that's how you read the tire. Now, where do you find this information? If you look down on the tire, right over here, P205 55 16. Again, P205 is the width. 55 is the height over width, which is aspect ratio. And 16 is the tire size of your rim. Now, where do you find this 99H? If you look right over here, oh, I'm sorry, it's not 99H, it's 89H. I made the mistake. So it's 89H, guys, but that's how you read tires, 89H, that's your speed rating, okay? And each letter has a different meaning for an application. I can leave a link in the description below that shows you everything on Google or wherever you want about your readings. And if you search for this number, 3111, you can go all the way around and you can look right here. 311. Like I said, the 31 weeks in the 11th year. So the 31st week in 2011, this tire was manufactured and made. Obviously, throughout, that's basically the most information you need to know on these tires to read. Basically the year and the manufacturing week that it was made, as well as what's the size, the speed rating, and what's the width that you're getting on your tires. Now, you don't want to have a 17 tire and have them putting on a 16. It's not even going to fit. It's going to stretch out a lot. But you also don't want to get ship the wrong tires if you buy something off of TireRack.com or buy tires off somewhere and get it shipped to home. You want to make sure you're getting what you pay for. Especially when you're going to them tire shops and they're doing tires for you, you want to make sure that you're getting something in that year. Remember, tires are rubber. Rubber dry rots over time. Nothing lasts forever. So another thing you can do too is check for cracks. If you see cracks anywhere on the sidewall, little stress cracks, little regular rubber cracks, or like it looks like it's dried rubber, don't even get it. It's not going to be good for you in the long run. Okay, you got to get something that looks new. You got to check your manufacturing year. The week doesn't really matter. Check out the year. This tire is a tire from my car, which came out from this car from 2011. I'm still keeping this tire for when I do engine rebuilds. That's why it's here. But the vehicle was a 2011 manufactured car. That's from 2011, that tire. Any tire that I buy, if I'm going to change tires today, and we're in 2021, I'm going to make sure that the tires that I get was manufactured in 2021. Maybe it'll have to be close to the 52-week mark of 2020, and I wouldn't bother with it. But most likely, all my tires that I'm getting, I make sure to tell them I want something current, and I want it in the year 2021. And they will explain that to whoever they're getting it from, and they're going to check those tires and make sure they're giving you something because you know what you're talking about. So the next time you're going to go do tires, guys, don't let anyone rip you off. Make sure you use that information to get you what you pay for and get all the new stuff that you need, guys, and be assertive with what you want and don't let people rip you off. Again, guys, I'll see you all again later, and please make sure that you hit this like button for this channel. Help it grow in the YouTube algorithm, please, and let your boy get up there to help you all with more videos like this. And I'll see y'all later. Peace out.